Alright, so today I'll show you how to put in the ball joint. The ball joints came in. Here's the old one, here's the new one. So you just want to put it in here. You got this rubber right here that might be a little bit hard to put in, but you can put it in. You just gotta work around and kind of slide it in so it doesn't damage the boot. Once you get that in, I just got a 32 socket, put right over it. It fits right on top, and I'm just gonna hammer this down and bring the ball joint lower. Never mind, I guess it does. It does work, but in my case, it's just my socket is just too big. So if you see like that, my hammer comes up here. I can't even get a good hammer on it. But look, I got this tool over here. Pretty much just gonna press it in. So find the cup. So that's gonna fit down here. You just gotta find something for the top. This guy. I haven't used this kit in a long time. I think the last time I used it was like 5 years ago when I first bought it. But we're gonna get some out of it. Just gonna look at what I got. So where this is gonna have to come down here. Guess I'm just gonna use this one right here. Alright, so this is how I got it set up now. I'm not gonna use nothing on the top. I'm just gonna sit it around top of the ball joint. And I have this long cylinder that the ball joint should be long enough to hit it without maxing out down here. And just gotta find a socket that fit that. Alright, so this is a 22 socket. And all I'm gonna do is gonna wrench it. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to do it and hold the phone. Pretty much. Let's see. Alright, as you can see, it came down. And I just got this where you put the retaining clip in. Go. See what that one is compared to this one. This one you could just move. This one you can't. And that's what you want. So now y'all left is, where the hell is that bag? Got that new clip. And I finally got some better snap ring pliers. So you take that, just put it on here.